Early morning is a crucial time for setting the tone of your day, and what you eat before 7 a.m. can significantly impact your energy levels and overall health. Imagine waking up to a vibrant sunrise, feeling energized and ready to conquer the day ahead. This can be achieved simply by choosing the right foods during your morning routine. One of the most beneficial foods you can consume before 7 a.m. is oatmeal. This warm, hearty grain not only provides a rich source of fiber, but also keeps you full for a longer time. Picture a steaming bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits like blueberries or banana slices, creating a colorful and nutritious start. The slow-releasing carbohydrates in oatmeal fuel your body steadily, preventing those mid-morning energy slumps. Additionally, incorporating a source of protein is vital. Consider eggs, which are not only versatile but also packed with essential amino acids. Envision a perfectly cooked egg on a slice of whole grain toast, providing a satisfying, crunchy foundation. Alternatively, Greek yogurt rich in protein can be combined with nuts and honey for a creamy, delicious treat. Not only does this combination enhance flavor, but it nourishes your muscles and keeps you feeling satiated throughout your busy morning. Fruits are another important component of a beneficial breakfast. Imagine biting into a juicy apple or a handful of vibrant berries. These natural delights are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which boost your immune system and keep your skin glowing. Pairing fruits with nuts or seeds can create an additional crunch and infuse healthy fats into your morning meal, creating a symphony of textures and tastes that your body will crave. Hydration is equally as important as solid foods. Visualize starting your day with a refreshing glass of water or herbal tea, which can awaken your senses and hydrate in your body. Adding a slice of lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also promotes digestion. This simple yet effective choice supports your metabolism as you embark on the tasks ahead, giving your body the rejuvenation it needs to thrive. By prioritizing varied and nutrient-dense foods before 7 a.m., you allow your body to express gratitude in feeling energized, focused, and ready to face whatever challenges the day may bring. Adopt this morning ritual, and your body will undoubtedly reward you in countless ways.